Everybody, Hunter 1930s original fan collector, etc. Back with another video. Today we got here's this 44-inch Minka Aire Concept II ceiling fan. This fan replaced the Halsey G event that was originally in this room. Since my family's moving out of this, my grandparents are both deceased. We're getting ready to sell this house, so this fan is being left behind because it's in pretty rough shape and I could care less about it. And not to mention, they're very common. So yeah, we're gonna get started with the light. As you can tell, it works. And this fan dates from 2003, so it's quite old. But I could care less because this fan is not really too much sentimental to me, but it's pretty cool. And here's low. But I'm gonna turn the light back on because you wanna see it better. And this fan is a decent fan. I mean, it's not bad. I really do like it. But at the same time, I really don't need it in my collection because they're just too common. The Halsey G event is more valuable to sell. Yeah, I could care less. So yeah, this fan's definitely getting left behind. But as you can tell, that's low speed. It does have a pretty decent low. This fan uses a 153 by 15 millimeter motor, which is pretty decent for its size. I mean, not bad. As you can tell, that's low. Kick it up to medium. And this is where I usually like it at because this is how I plan to leave it. And not to mention this fan is pretty... Oh, it's an okay fan, but it's just not my style, you know? So that's why I'm leaving it behind, and plus they're very common to find, so I always can get another one that's in much better condition than this. So that's medium. Let's go to high speed. This thing absolutely does a decent amount of air in here. It's not that fast, I mean, but heck, the blade pitch is 14 degrees, so yeah, it really makes up the airflow by the pitch of the blades. Now I'm going to take you up and show the airflow of the fan. Now I'm going to reverse the fan. And now I'm going to reverse it back. And I'm going to shut the fan off. So yeah, that's it with the 44-inch Minka Aire Concept II ceiling fan in its new home. Thank you for watching. Lots more to come.